Today I'm going to show you how to make mille-feuille. We start by adding milk and cream to a pot to warm, and then sugar, vanilla sugar and eggs, as well as some corn flour, and mix well to combine. Slowly temper that mixture by adding the warm milk and cream in increments, and then return that mixture back to a pot until it starts to thicken. Add in a little bit of butter and mix again. So smooth, creamy, and so delicious. Pour that mixture back into a bowl, and then quality control, we must taste test, of course. Cover with cling wrap and then pop it in the fridge to set. And what really happens behind the scenes? Nothing goes to waste. Using a fork, prick the pastry and then cover it with icing sugar. Make sure you do this on both sides. Cover with some baking paper, another tray, and into the oven it goes until it comes out nice and crispy. And then I cover with some more icing sugar. Beat the custard to make it nice, smooth and creamy once again. And then pipe it onto your puff pastry. I'm doing 3 layers and then custard on the top with crushed puff pastry to finish. You could, of course, use any piping method to put the custard on the pastry. And then a final dusting of icing sugar. So no matter how you look at this mille-feuille, from whichever angle, it is absolutely delicious.